guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I really hope you guys have been enjoying my videos thus far. Here is my maternity photo shoot. I had so much fun during the shoot, and I love looking back at these pics. They came out amazingly beautiful. I really hope you guys love and enjoy them as much as I do. Also wanted to mention, we came across a little bit of a hard time with the horse. The horsey was hungry and did not want to cooperate with us to get the shots, but we got amazing shots and I love the way they came out. They came out absolutely stunning. Also, if any of you wanted to know about the milk bath, we used some water mixed with 1 whole gallon and another half of a gallon in the tub, all mixed together, and that's how we got it to look that way. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my video. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to wait up on all the fun videos I got for you guys. Hey guys, so right now I'm about to do the shoot, my milk bath shoot, and I am already dressed and stuff, and I'm about to hop in the bathtub, and I'll show you guys a little bit of footage later on of me in there while getting the shoot. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
Just slide in and then what we can do is probably like...
Okay, let me know how down you want.
How down can you get? Alright, I think that might be good. So, but what I want you to do is see if you can go sideways.
Okay, that would be better.
Yeah, if you want to stay here. We're gonna look at the photos like, wow, these are beautiful, and like, yeah, I have no idea what we went through.